Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, small pets and animals of all varieties. Did I get everybody? Whereas Poochie goes through pallets to show you what we got very quickly, Drea shows you in detail the exact items that we received. Check it out.
Hey guys, I'm at work and I thought that I would open this box. So we got a pallet from Walgreens shelf pulls. And I just wanted to show you what we got in one of the boxes that came on the pallet. Okay, so this is a Groovy Wubble, no pump needed. Ooh, it's a bubble ball. It looks like a tie-dye bubble. It plays like a ball. That is so cool. And there's a few of those here. Oops, there's a few of those here. So these are Walgreens shelf pulls. They are brand new items that did not sell at Walgreens. This is a thermos cup. And then, ooh, a Contigo spout water bottle. We love Contigo at our house. This is a thermos water bottle with a little straw. Really cute. I'm not sure why everything's pink. This one too. It keeps it cold for 12 hours. Because I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know why. These are slime mix-ins. That is so cool. It's mix and mash stack. See, that's cool. Ooh, and then we've got Garnier replumping serum cream. Very nice. We've got a couple of boxes of those. Oh, yep. It is hydrochloric acid. And then we've got Garnier Pore Perfecting Serum Cream Canna B. It has cannabis sativa seed oil in it. Nice. Okay, and then this is the mix-in again with the slime. Ooh, this is a Dino Dig mystery pack. So you like break up the little eggs and you uncover dinosaur bones, right? Okay, this is a kids gummies. Ooh, black elderberry. It's supposed to support immunity. We're just getting over colds in our house. That would have been useful if we'd opened that a week ago. Also, this is to sell, so. Okay, this is refreshed lubricating eye drops in a little tiny package. Anti-aging things in here. Ooh, this is a sort and go stackable sorting trays for puzzles. Oh no, it's a puzzle. Sort your puzzles, link your trays for endless viewing, stack trays for compact organization, store trays in the box for transport. For puzzles up to 1,000 pieces. Oh, this is so you can sort out your little puzzle. Oh my God. Okay, so this is a Children's Vicks Vapo Rub. Garnier Skin Active Water Rose 24-hour moisture cream. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little interested in a lot of these things. This is Paw Patrol. This is Aveeno Daily Moisturizer Sunscreen with SPF 30. This is Purell Hand Sanitizer. This is Garnier Green Labs Brightening Serum, Vitamin C plus Pineapple, Pina C. It is a brightening serum cream. Nice. What is this? Oh my God. This is called, it's very heavy. It's called Throw Burrito, a dodgeball card game. Extreme Outdoor Edition. 120 water-resistant jumbo-sized playing cards. I have a pool. Huge inflatable burritos. Oh my God. That you throw at each other. Durable components for athletes who are going pro. For aspiring burrito champions. This is not a game, Cheryl. This is serious. Oh no. This is not a game, Cheryl. This is serious. That is so funny. During a burrito duel, 2 players must stand back to back, walk 3 paces, and fire. That is so cool. Okay, so that's the end of the box. I'm pretty impressed with this box in particular, so I like it.
Told ya. That is the detail that Drea, a member of Poochie's Pickers and Poochie's Pack, brings to the table, people. Buy low, sell high, subscribe.